Yeah, hi everyone. So what I'm trying to do in this tutorial series is I'm going to walk through steps and make you aware like how you can understand the JavaScript. So this tutorial series is all about objects first, and later part of the series I can make a separate video on separate topics. But in this tutorial series, mostly I'm going to focus on objects, and it's not like following some documentation, following some books, or maybe some other tutorials. So it's not like that. It's you how you can follow those steps. You can how you can find um, like methods, what are the methods you need to learn, and what will be the best approach to understand the objects. So we'll go through it, and we'll understand it. So we don't need any documentation. Yeah, if we are stuck somewhere, we'll see like how we can find the documentation for it. And definitely, since nobody's master, we cannot memorize everything. So definitely Google is the uh, our best teacher. So whenever we stuck somewhere, we'll find things from there. And the second thing is like we are not going to use any other separate tools. So as you see, we have a Chrome, so we will be using the Chrome console here. Or if you go to inspect, we have the sources as well. So these two things can be used here. And in sources and consoles, I will be going to use the snippets as well. Yeah, so basically this is introduction part, and in the next video I'm going to start it from the very basics of the object. And yeah, so we'll see like how things works in objects.